I am happy to announce that I am back at office. As you are aware, this is a very, very critical and busy period, especially in the budget cycle of the government of the Republic of Uganda, where the input of the NRM Parliamentary Caucus is very, very critical. We shall resume our operation as the NRM Parliamentary Caucus. Our monthly meetings, that is normally chaired by the NRM National Chairperson. We expect that probably in the month of March, we shall be resuming. There is need for us to do a ground check on the commanders of NRM and see whether we are all firing in the same direction. There seems to be some bit of uncoordinated movement of troops within the house of NRM. Definitely yes, because you lose a number of well-experienced legislators, both on the side of NRM and on the side of the opposition. We are talking about the question of experience, the question of institutional memory, and you are having a parliament that is predominantly new. Although each parliament is charged with the responsibility of coming up with its own rules of procedure, but there is something that will be lacking in terms of the experiences that has been able to be galvanized over the years, coupled with institutional memory from the senior people that some of us even came and met, although they have also been losing one at a time, but this time round you can see that there is a very, very massive exodus of well-experienced national leaders who have been able to be groomed over the years from different sub-regions. That also points to the fact that probably there could be the question of voter fatigue, that you can't rule it out, but on the side of NRM, we need to check ourselves internally.